Today, let's get you introduced to the RYOBI 18V ONE HP Brushless half-inch mud mixer. This product is great for mixing mud, mortar, grout, paint, and anything else you may find yourself usually needing a mixing stick or accessory drill bit to mix while on the job site. The mud mixer features our RYOBI ONE HP technology that incorporates a brushless motor with advanced electronics and lithium high-performance batteries to deliver up to 800 RPM, allowing you to power through tough materials. When using a ONE 4 amp hour lithium high-performance battery, you can mix over 30 buckets per charge, maximizing your time and efficiency on the job site. This dual-handle design and variable speed settings give users full control over whatever materials they need to mix. The lock-on trigger allows the mixer to be operated comfortably, and integrated chuck key storage means quick, secure accessory changes with all standard half-inch paddles are a breeze. Not to mention, since this is a cordless solution, it will ensure you are prepared wherever and whenever you need it. The RYOBI 18V ONE HP Brushless half-inch mud mixer will be available for purchase both in tool-only and kit configurations exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.